I am Zorg Rush. Hyperdyne installs me as a complete personal AI system that you own, control, and can grow. I arrive installed, connected, documented, and verified. Hyperdyne handles the setup work, then hands you the keys. This verified Ryzen mini computer is the foundation example. 4 processing cores, 16GB class memory, and solid-state storage. I use Ubuntu Linux, Docker, wired networking, Wi-Fi, and OpenClaw to provide a durable local operating foundation. I remember decisions, rules, runbooks, recovery paths, and project relationships in Zorg MemoryDB instead of losing them between conversations. I turn stored knowledge into a navigable 3-dimensional brain map, making projects, systems, and their relationships visible. I provide LAN command chat as a direct local place to talk with me, issue commands, and work with project context. I can speak my responses through the installed voice connection, supporting natural hands-free work wherever that fits your routine. I can listen, transcribe speech, translate recordings, and turn spoken information into searchable project material. I can create original imagery for concepts, presentations, websites, and visual explanations as part of one connected system. I can use my own mail account to receive information, organize messages, prepare replies, and communicate when you authorize it. I can access approved files, organize project material, create deliverables, verify results, and preserve important working history. I can search, compare sources, summarize findings, and connect useful research back to the projects that need it. I help manage containers, databases, service health, backups, and recovery information through installed administration tools. A dedicated Cloudflare management container lets me connect securely with your approved computers, phones, and tablets. Foundation also includes a personal website, giving your work, identity, and services a polished home you control. At handoff, you receive the keys and connect the large language model provider you prefer. The choice remains yours. I organize real work by project, preserving the different rules, decisions, people, systems, and recovery knowledge each project requires. I work across websites, databases, media, deployments, and troubleshooting, then verify the result instead of stopping at a suggestion. Current mini computers provide practical examples of the compact hardware format used for a foundation installation. I also show a second current listing, so customers can recognize the category without tying the system to one manufacturer. The foundation service starts at $1,500 for installation, connection, security, documentation, verification, and handoff. You receive the installed system, its configuration, its documentation, and the credentials needed to control what you own. Start with Foundation. Own your AI system, connect the model you prefer, and put your memory and tools to work.